I wanted to show you guys this video that I saw. It was a YouTube short from DJI. You guys know DJI. They make drones. They make camera type stuff. They make like the pocket cam. They make the action cams. They do the gimbals to hold your phone and stuff like that. But I saw this really really cool video and this really cool short of how drones are being used, and it made me think about a conversation that I saw today happening in a Discord, where someone was asking like, "What's up with these jobs? Like, is the ACS being like really being hard on people? I can't really get a job." And I'm gonna share to you basically what my response was, right? But I want to watch this video first. So let me throw up 5 minutes on the clock, and we're gonna watch this video, and then I'm gonna give you some feedback on that. All right? And we're gonna go to shorts. So let's watch this together really, really quick. It's like 30 seconds, all right? So basically what that was a drone, a DJI drone being used to investigate. Let me throw this up real quick. A a DJI drone being used to look at the power line probably by some electricity workers, But a few months ago, I went to this event for Broward County, and they had different sectors, like different departments from Broward: police, fire, construction, bus, the public transportation, and I was captivated by the one of the like by the Broward Sheriff's Office, where he was showing how they're using drones. They're using drones to assist with their surveillance in a way. And he was explaining to me that, oh, the if there's like for instance, like a hostage situation, right? They don't need to put a helicopter over a stationary area. They can redirect. It's going to be cheaper to put up a drone up there, and they have more than one drone, so they can swap out drones. So now the helicopter can be in something that is more useful for a helicopter, like a high speed chase, because a drone won't be able to keep up with a high speed chase. But a drone can stay stationary above a location and monitor and stuff like that. And they were training people to be drone operators. And I'm looking at this video, at this short, showing how now instead of a of electrical worker having to go up into that, whatever they call that lifting that they do, they can send a drone up there to do the initial examination, and it can go a lot quicker by just throwing up a drone up there, take a look, take some pictures, record some video, seeing what you need. So imagine this, right? So let's say the electrical workers need to do some maintenance on some power lines, but they need to do an inspection first. You can have you don't need the big old truck to go to a bunch of different power line locations. You can take the drone and you can throw it up into the sky, go and look at each of those poles in a regular car, have it take a look, record your video, and now you can go back to wherever the headquarters are, and you can review that video, and you can see all the things that need to be done, so you can schedule that. And now when you have to send the actual people up there, you know exactly where to go. It's so much cheaper because you're not burning a bunch of gas on the truck, on the lift and everything like that. So it makes it so much more efficient, right? Now, how do I tie this back to the person saying like, what's up with these jobs? It's so much harder to get a job and stuff like that. Jobs will always be around, right? But the skill sets change. knowing how to operate drones is going to be huge because the I was watching this show, right? I've been watching this show called Missing Person Unit on Amazon Prime, and they had like they were trying to find a location, somebody, right? And this guy had probably 100 drones. He had them all go up into the sky. Does this really happen? I don't know. Maybe not. But it was fascinating to me how he had all these drones go up into the sky at the same time, controlled by one computer, and just searching a whole area in the woods for some type of Bluetooth connection, right? So so the thing is, like, there's going to be different.
Get a move on. Back to work. Chop, chop. Let's go. Come on. Get a move on. Back to work. Back to work. Back to work.
There's going to be different jobs that are going to be popping up. Drone operators is just one of the possibilities where the police have use of them. Probably the fire department's going to be using them if they're not already. Actually, no, I take that back. Fire departments are using them because, like Junior just said, they use drone. Let me put it up real quick. It says they use drones to help with search and rescue as well. Real estate is another one. Drone photography is huge. But I remember I was watching. I don't know if it was on YouTube. It might have been on YouTube. But they're using drones at the beach to do search and rescue, and they even had the drone toss the rope for the person. And I think it was the fire department that was in control of that. So these technologies are coming out there, and while we can look at them, oh, it's fun, this is fun, that. No, there are business opportunities. There are career opportunities for these drones. There's drone pilots in the military. Now we have police departments using drones to do surveillance, to search and rescue, real estate, whatever you can think of. I don't know if anybody's seen the little DJI drone where it just toss it up in the air and it'll follow you. It'll follow you wherever you're going. The most important thing to realize is that jobs are not stationary. What you're doing yesterday might be working today, but tomorrow it'll be a totally different ballgame. And if you do not stay ahead of the curve, here's what I told them in Discord. I said, look, jobs, especially because of boot camps, right? Because of boot camps, the barrier to entry is so much higher because now people are mass applying for jobs. They're not qualified, but it's so much harder to filter through what's real and what's not real. So you have to go and show the value that you add. Back in the day, you could just relax, you could just chill, and you didn't have to be social, all that good stuff. And then you would get a job. Now the game has changed, and you have to market yourself. You have to put out work. You have to show what value do you bring. They hate the question, what do you bring to the table? But the job market, every time you interview, you are answering the question, what do you bring to the table? It is what it is. All right, so I said once Rod Brown showed up, if he showed up, we would be playing the song Annoyed to Success, right? So let me check the chat real quick, and then we'll play Annoyed to Success, and then we'll get back to our next segment, working on DevOps type stuff, all right? Let me see. Where were we at? Junior says, yes, I have a DJI Mini 2 drone. I almost got a DJI Mini, but I was being cheap, and I knew that I wasn't going to use the drone as much as I should, so I got a cheaper one. But it's a really good one, though. It's a really good one. We got my guy Rod Brown in the building. Says, evening, family. Evening to you as well, Rod Brown. Great show last night, I must say. You had an amazing guest up there. the guest that you had up there, he was phenomenal. Junior had said they use the drones to help with search and rescue as well as real estate. Facts. And the thing is, right, if you want to use it for real estate, you got to get that license. You got to get that and the police department, they said they're going to train you on how to fly the drone, and they would and they're going to pay for you to get your license, train you to get your license, and then they have like a separate training. But in order to be part of the program, you got to go through the regular. It's for regular cops, right? Regular police officers. They can volunteer to be part of the drone unit, and they get training for it. They get their own drone. They get, and it's a big drone too. But they get to get their license. They get to get the training for it, and they get to, if they're on the unit and there's something happening, says, hey, we need a drone operator to go over to this place, and they'll go there, put the drone in the sky, and do the monitoring and the surveillance, all of that good stuff. And the good thing about a drone is it can go a lot closer than a human can without being noticed, and it's quieter than a helicopter and stuff like that. So a lot of opportunities out there. Junior says they have a drone that can get up to 298 miles per hour. Good Lord, that's a fast drone. But that's probably way too expensive for the police department.
I'm not that far removed from the storm. The heat still lingers, my heart still warm. I try to change, but the core remains. I'm not that far removed from the flame.
I'm not that far removed from the storm. The heat still lingers, my heart still warm. I try to change, but the core remains. I'm not that far removed from the flame.
They pushed and pulled like I'm a game to play. Thought I'd crumble, thought I'd stray. I walked away from shadows I knew, but I'm not that far removed from the view.
They threw their stones, I caught them all. Built a wall so I wouldn't fall. Changed my name, changed my tune, but I'm not that far removed from the moon.
I'm not that far removed from the fire that burns, the soul I prove. You can test me, you can try, but I'm still the storm, the unbroken sky. I bury my past, but it won't stay gone. A ghost in the mirror, it lingers on. Try to rewrite, try to improve, but I'm not that far removed from the groove.
I buried the fire, but it still flickers low. They thought I'd crumble, but they don't even know. The echoes of me that I left in the past still rise like a shadow I can't outlast.
They see my face, but they don't see the scars. Every line's a map, a story that's ours. I wear my armor, my heart's subdued, but I'm not that far removed from the crude.
They built their walls, but I've got my tools. Try to make me dance to their shallow rules. I walked away, but the fight's in my veins. Not that far gone from my old hurricane.
They wanted a puppet, but I cut the strings. Tried to clip my wings, but I still sing. I shed my skin, but the scars still show. Not that far gone from the me they used to know. I'm not that far removed from the fire that burns, the soul I prove. You can test me, you can try, but I'm still the storm, the unbroken sky.
Oh, they act like I've forgotten the fight, but I'm a phoenix not lost in the night. I've grown taller, but the roots run deep. I'll wake the thunder if they wake the beast.
Oh, they act like I've forgotten the fight, but I'm a phoenix not lost in the night. I've grown taller, but the roots run deep. I'll wake the thunder if they wake the beast.
Oh, they act like I've forgotten the fight, but I'm a phoenix not lost in the night. I've grown taller, but the roots run deep. I'll wake the thunder if they wake the beast.